Okay, I'm going to try to film doing a solder blob. I've got my iron already set up. I've got flux on the post here. I've already cleaned it with some Scotch-Brite to get it nice and shiny. Just rigging it up to hold it. Make sure I have plenty of solder available. I'm using a thick tip so that the heat will transfer very quickly. So I want to heat it up quick and then cool it down quick. And I'm going to try and get this on video. Okay, everything's ready to go. Basically, apply the heat. The solder starts to flow very quickly. I think I'm going to put a little bit more. I want these blobs to be a little taller than most. I'm going to cool it down real quick. This is just a little bit of water on a towel. Actually, I'll kind of made the top of the solder blob a little ugly. You want to cool it down quick so that the heat doesn't transfer down into the battery any more than necessary. And that is pretty much it. You see, it's nice and tall. That's it.